July is a repair month. It's also a replace month. Okay. And so you can optimize for either one of those. We're in the midst of peak season. And so that's going to be our seasonal message. I'm going to go ahead out there into the newspaper, postcards, and direct mail. And I will do that to the general public as well as to my customer base, whether they be a service agreement customer or a non-service agreement customer. So NP, PC, DM, that's newspaper, postcard, and direct mail. If you're doing anything, okay, and I'm not saying that you should or have to, weather should be driving us. This is where we dial back direct response and we dial up branding, image, top of the mind awareness, all purpose advertising. Again, I don't have to give away things. I don't have to make compelling offers to people here, but I will basically want to make sure that I'm optimizing this window of time, okay, to go ahead and convert everything to a replacement.